Welcome to My Business Success. If you're here, it means you're ready to explore some exciting business opportunities for 2025. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking for fresh ideas, today's video is for you. We'll dive into 5 of the most profitable business ideas that you can start with little to no experience. So why is 2025 such an important year for new businesses? The world is changing rapidly, and with these changes come incredible opportunities. Technologies are evolving, consumer behaviors are shifting, and new markets are emerging. For those who are prepared, 2025 offers a chance to tap into trends that are not only profitable, but also sustainable for the long term. In this video, I'm not just going to give you ideas. I'll also explain why these opportunities are worth pursuing and how you can get started even if you have no prior experience. So let's get started on this journey to discover the most profitable business ideas for 2025. Let's jump into our first business idea: green technology and sustainability. As we move into 2025, the focus on sustainability is stronger than ever. Governments, businesses, and consumers are all looking for ways to reduce their environmental impact, which means there's a growing demand for green technologies and sustainable products. If you're passionate about the environment, this is a perfect opportunity to start a business that not only makes money, but also makes a difference. For example, you could start a consulting business that helps companies reduce their carbon footprint, or you could create eco-friendly products like reusable packaging or sustainable fashion. Another great option is to develop or invest in clean energy technologies such as solar panels or energy-efficient home products. The global market for green technology is expected to grow exponentially in the coming years, making it a lucrative and impactful sector to get involved in. The best part is you don't need a background in science or engineering to get started. There are plenty of online courses and resources that can teach you the basics, and from there you can begin building your business. The key is to identify a niche within the green sector that aligns with your skills and passions. And 2025 is the year to go green, not just for the planet, but for your business success. By focusing on sustainability, you're positioning yourself in a market that's only going to grow, making this a smart and profitable choice for the future. Moving on to our second profitable business idea for 2025, digital health and telemedicine. The global health landscape has changed dramatically in recent years, and this shift has opened up massive opportunities in the digital health space. With the rise of remote work and the increased demand for accessible healthcare, telemedicine and digital health services are set to thrive. If you're interested in healthcare or technology, this could be an ideal business for you. Telemedicine allows patients to consult with doctors and healthcare providers from the comfort of their homes. This service has become crucial, especially in rural areas or for individuals with limited mobility. You could start a business that connects patients with healthcare providers through a user-friendly platform, or develop an app that monitors health metrics and provides personalized advice. There's also a huge market for digital health tools, such as wearable devices that track vital signs or mental health apps that offer support and counseling. The great thing about this sector is that it's not just about healthcare professionals. If you have skills in software development, marketing, or customer service, you can contribute to this growing field. As technology continues to advance, the demand for digital health solutions will only increase. By 2025, this sector is expected to be one of the most lucrative, offering both financial rewards and the satisfaction of helping people live healthier lives. To get started, consider partnering with healthcare professionals, investing in online courses to learn more about digital health trends, or exploring platforms like Teachable and Coursera to gain the skills needed to enter this market. Let's explore our third business idea for 2025, e-commerce and niche online stores. The e-commerce industry has been booming for years, and it shows no signs of slowing down. In fact, with more people shopping online than ever before, starting an online store can be incredibly lucrative, especially if you focus on a specific niche. Niche markets are segments of larger markets defined by unique preferences or specific needs. For example, instead of selling general clothing, you could start an online store that specializes in sustainable fashion or plus-size activewears. By targeting a specific audience, you can stand out in a crowded market and build a loyal customer base. The beauty of e-commerce is that you can start small and scale up as you grow. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy make it easy to set up an online store without needing advanced technical skills. You can begin by selling a few products, testing what works, and then expanding your offerings as your business grows. Another advantage of e-commerce is the ability to reach a global audience with effective digital marketing strategies such as social media advertising and search engine optimization, SEO. You can attract customers from around the world. Plus, with drop shipping, you don't even need to handle inventory or shipping. Your suppliers take care of that for you. The key to success in e-commerce is to find a niche that you're passionate about and that has a demand. Research your market, understand your customers' needs, and offer products that provide real value. With dedication and the right strategies, your niche online store could become a highly profitable business by 2025. Let's move on to our fourth business idea for 2025, remote work solutions. The pandemic has permanently changed the way we work, with remote work becoming the new norm for many industries. As businesses continue to adapt to this shift, there's a growing demand for tools and services that enhance remote work efficiency and productivity. If you're interested in technology or management, this is a sector with immense potential. Companies are looking for solutions that help them manage remote teams, maintain communication, and ensure that their employees remain productive no matter where they are. You can develop software that simplifies project management, create platforms for virtual team building, or offer consulting services to help businesses transition smoothly to a remote work environment. Another profitable idea within this space is creating or selling remote work equipment. With more people setting up home offices, there's a demand for ergonomic furniture, high-quality webcams, noise-canceling headphones, and other work-from-home essentials. You could start an e-commerce store focused specifically on these products, offering everything remote workers need to stay comfortable and productive. What makes remote work solutions particularly attractive as a business idea is that the trend is not going away. Even as offices reopen, many companies are adopting hybrid models where employees split their time between the office and home. This means the demand for remote work tools and services will continue to grow. By entering this market in 2025, you're positioning yourself at the forefront of a major shift in the global workforce. Whether you're creating software, offering services, or selling products, there's a wealth of opportunity in helping businesses and individuals succeed in the remote work era. Finally, let's dive into our fifth and final business idea for 2025, AI and automation. Artificial intelligence, AI, and automation are transforming industries at an unprecedented pace, and this trend is only going to accelerate in the coming years. For businesses looking to stay competitive, investing in AI and automation is no longer optional, it's a necessity. If you're intrigued by technology and innovation, this is an incredibly exciting space to explore. AI and automation can be applied in countless ways, from streamlining business operations to improving customer service and even creating entirely new products and services. For example, you could develop AI-driven software that helps companies automate repetitive tasks such as data entry or customer support, freeing up valuable time and resources. Another opportunity lies in creating AI tools for specific industries. Think about the potential in healthcare, finance, retail, and manufacturing. Each of these sectors is looking for ways to use AI to optimize their operations and provide better service to their customers. You could start a business that specializes in developing tailored AI solutions for these industries, helping them become more efficient and profitable. And it's not just about software. There's a growing market for hardware automation as well. From robots that can work alongside humans in factories to smart home devices that make everyday life easier, the possibilities are endless. If you have a background in engineering or a passion for innovation, there's a huge potential for creating products that incorporate AI and automation to solve real-world problems. The beauty of AI and automation as a business idea is that it's not limited to tech giants. Even small businesses can leverage these technologies to gain a competitive edge. By starting now, you can position yourself as a leader in this rapidly growing field, tapping into a market that's set to expand significantly by 2025 and beyond. So if you're ready to take on the future, AI and automation might just be the perfect business opportunity for you. With the right knowledge and a commitment to innovation, you can create a business that not only thrives, but also drives the next wave of technological advancement. Now that we've explored 5 of the most profitable business ideas for 2025, you might be wondering, which one is right for me? Choosing the right business idea isn't just about following trends. It's about finding something that aligns with your passions, skills, and long-term goals. First, consider your interests and passions. Starting a business is a journey, and it's much easier to stay motivated if you're passionate about what you're doing. Reflect on what excites you, whether it's technology, sustainability, healthcare, or remote work solutions. Aligning your business with your interests will help you stay committed through the challenges that inevitably come with entrepreneurship. Next, evaluate your skills and experience. Even if you're a beginner, think about the skills you've developed in your personal or professional life. For example, if you have experience in customer service, you might excel in a business that involves working closely with clients, like a consultancy in telemedicine or a niche e-commerce store. The idea is to leverage what you already know to give yourself a head start. Consider the market demand and growth potential. Look at the trends we've discussed and think about where the world is heading. Which of these sectors are poised for long-term growth? It's essential to choose a business idea that not only fits your interests, but also has the potential for profitability and sustainability over the long term. Finally, think about the resources you have available. Starting with $0 or minimal investment means you need to be strategic about how you use your time, skills, and networks. And some businesses might require more upfront effort, but could be scaled easily once they get going, like an e-commerce store or a software service. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The right business idea for you is the one that feels like a natural fit, something you can see yourself building and growing over the next several years. Take the time to reflect on these factors and don't be afraid to start small and pivot as you learn and grow. Your success in 2025 and beyond will be determined by your ability to choose an idea that you're passionate about, that meets a real need, and that you're ready to commit to. So take this time to think it through, make a decision, and then go after it with everything you've got.